This morning we left the cabin at 10 a.m. We were completely surrounded by smoke from the fire because there's been no wind since last night. So we got a little bit worried, but we could see a path going along the mountain. So we decided to just try and stay above the smoke, which was down in the valley, down by the ocean. And yeah, we managed to do so. It was a bit smelly, but we stayed high above what I would call the really uncomfortable part. And we're now on, I think we're halfway up what is known as Killer Hill. It's not very steep, but it just goes up and up and up for a really long time. And yeah, we're hoping to reach Sisimiut tonight, hopefully before 8 p.m. We're about to have our last lunch on the trail. You can see the view down there. I reckon we're about 3 hours from Sisimiut, and we were actually hiking around the Greenlandic mountain last year. And we saw a few hikers who were just completing their trail, and they were yelling with happiness. And I was commenting on it about how happy they were. But like, I honestly feel pretty much the same way right now. Like we're about 3 hours from our goal, so it's pretty amazing. We made it. We're on a gravel road straight into town. It's 4:45 and we've been hiking since 10 a.m. and I'm so excited to be in Sisimiut.